So Eddie says, yo, Newsom, if I only have $5,000, what way of trading do you suggest? So first of all, Eddie, thanks for being brave enough to ask that question. I will walk you through what I would do. Now, again, this is what I would do. This is not what you should do or what you must do. This is what you could do, but this is what I would do. First and foremost, be very, very careful with your wording because you have more than $5,000. Because in your mind, you might be saying this a lot. Hey, I only have $5,000. I only. Go to Cambodia. $5,000 is a lot of money. And you probably have more than just $5,000. To be fair, I mean, you got some money in cash, you got some money in the bank, you got, some money in a safe, you got some money in your mattress. You have a little bit more than $5,000. Am I righty? I know I'm right. There's no way that's the only money you have in your entire life. Exactly $5,000. I mean, you got a quarter somewhere. But you still got more money than 75% of the world. So you're doing good. So the reason I'm bringing that up is because wording does matter. If you only have a certain thing, then your brain is limited to, this is the only thing that I can think of. I can't think past this. This is where I'm at. This is a hurdle that I have. All right. I have $5,000 that I am willing to risk at my trading career. Better question. What's the best way to trade it? Okay. Even with this answer and with this statement, I'm still going to suggest something. Go get more. 5K is great. More is available. That's all. That's all I'm going to say. Go get a side job. Go get a side hustle. Drive Uber. Be a bartender. Sell some stuff from your house. Gary Vaynerchuk is the king of go to yard sales. Buy something cheap. Sell it more on eBay. Go get more money. More is available. All right, 5,000 is great. I tell people all the time, you're going to really want to give yourself 10 to 20K and 3 years. This is a realistic expectation of both money spent and time spent learning how to trade. This is just realistic. I'm not trying to sell you anything. You're already here. $10,000 to $20,000 and 3 years is a very realistic, reasonable time frame. If you have more than that, amazing. 5K is great, but more is available. All right, enough on that. Here's what I would do with $5,000. I would take $2,000 out, and that would be $2,000 towards the fund account program. So you'd have 500 account, you have a 500 account, that's 1,000, and then you do a $1,000 account, right? You're going to blow up this one. You're going to blow up this one. And hopefully with some education, some training, this is the one that you get. This is your Gina account. You get $1,000 and you get yourself funded. I would then take $3,000, and out of that $3,000 over here, I would take $400 to $600 and buy self-development courses, books, webinars, seminars, in-person events. How can you make more money? So then we have, let's just say $2,400 left over, and I would buy a stock that is in a powerful uptrend that I like, love, use, and understand, and leave it alone until I made 30%. All right. This is how I would do it. This is exactly it. Because over here, this $400 or $600 is going to help you make even more money so that you're not strained, stressed out, or constrained by, just the facts that you have money. I would take some of it and I wouldn't even trade it. I would just stick it into a Walmart, a Costco, a Pepsi, a McDonald's, a Johnson & Johnson, a Verizon, a T-Mobile, an Apple, a Google, and Amazon, something. But the stock has to be in an uptrend. That's the key. Determining the trend is paramount. What is the trend? And then with this $2,000, right? Keep in mind over here, remember, Eddie, that this 500 buys you $50,000 of accessible money. This one buys you $50,000, and this one buys you $100,000. And then let's say, all in all, you just absolutely suck. You load this account, you lose this account, you lose this account. That's 3 times that you have learned some valuable lessons. This over here is going to help you dramatically in your business. Eddie, how old are you and what do you do for work? What's your career? So this $400, $600 will help you in your mind. It'll help you in your business. It'll help you in your belief systems, right? There's so many books that you could buy for $400. There's so many tickets, courses, classes, one-on-one coaching sessions, in-person seminars, all kinds of things you can do for $400, $600. And then over here, again, you are able to buy that stock and just let it do its thing. Let it slowly appreciate. Does that make sense, big guy? So here's what's cool. All right. So you're 48 and you make over 100,000 a year. That's amazing. So then that tells me I would still do this, by the way, for sure. But now, so that I know, all right, you got $5,000 that you're willing to risk in your trading career, right, Eddie? So you have a lot more than $5,000. I'm with you. You got $5,000 that you want to risk. You have other money now. So that means I'd probably take all $5,000 and I would just buy a bunch of different funded account programs to really, really, really see your ultimate skill of trading. So here's how you can do that. You go to reallifetrading.com and right here, the fund account, I would just do a few of these, Eddie, just to see how good you are at the actual skill of trading in itself. Buy some classes, buy some courses. This is not a sales pitch, but here's a sales pitch. We have a 90-day to trade masterclass, which is only $3,000. So you could spend some of this, right? This is what Gina just got funded on. So she went through this program, right? This $3,000 program, and you will get a $100,000 account that comes with that program anyway. So you get a $100,000 account. We'll show you how to use it. We'll show you how to trade with it. We'll give you the skill. We'll give you the strategy. We'll tell you exactly what to do. And then you give your best shot, man. I mean, is it going to be right for you? Maybe, maybe not. But this is a message that I want some of you to hear. Trading is absolutely a path to financial freedom. And in my personal opinion, it is an incredible path to financial freedom, but it's not the only path. There are so many other paths that you can walk down. But in order to find your path of financial freedom, I do believe you will have to walk down either trading or other ones. But you're going to have to walk down the path to find the other path. And this is a path that all of you either have to walk down or should walk down at some point. Because if it's not trading, then it's business. If it's not business, then it's real estate. If it's not real estate, then it's sales. If it's not sales, then you're at work, you're making money with a job, and you're taking that money and you're investing in yourself to learn how to do one of those 4 things effectively.